You could not fool regarding to AI because two of the cousins knowing about computer. They are graduated in the course in computer. They are very expert. So they said that kind guys, look at those things that I know who someone that made that. The big wallet who made that, because the big wallet is very doing best to put AI with his mistress and a crazy wife. Then another one. Imagine guys, I upload a money there, a 30,000 money there.
Philippine money.
That is a Philippine money, huh? But take a look. They uploading that put AI that something eating a money, and then the money that eating turned into the dollar. Imagine, where is your mindset? So the things that you thinking that instead Mary Ann, you think Mary Ann be mad, Mary Ann laughing because you have no brain. Next time if you make AI, make sure that to think to the people be real or fake, because the more in the video it's obvious that made from AI apps to show to the people that you are a mental. Another one.